And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create a theme watch list and follow sector movers in public. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create a theme watch list and follow sector movers, it involves using tools on financial platforms to identify a trend, select relevant stocks, and monitor their performance. So first of all, you need to identify the theme. You can simply choose an emerging long term structural trend or idea that interests you, such as artificial intelligence, renewable energy, cybersecurity, or more. Now, you need to create a new watch list. Navigate to the watch list or market watch section of your chosen platform and then lock an option for to create a new watch list. Now you can use a stock screener to find relevant stocks, add stocks to your watch list, and then organize with sections if available. You can also follow sector movers by monitoring sector mover performance tool, tracking your sector ETF, using top gainers, loser screeners, and analyzing relative strength. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.